So here we are explaining working with single file using constructor. In the previous slide we just saw there are two ways to open a file. The first method is to use the constructor function and the second one was to use the open function. Okay, so if we are using the constructor function, we can use only one file in that string, and in the second one, the open method, we can manage multiple files using one string. So first we are going to check a program how we can work with single file using constructor. Now look here, this is how we are declaring as usual header files started main, then off stream outf item. Look, within parenthesis we are giving item, that is the name of the file, to the object off stream object outf. That means we have created an off stream object outf, and along with that we have passed the parameter item. That means now onwards the file stream output stream off stream object outf is connected to the item file. Okay, now look, enter item name character name 30 c in name. That means through keyboard we are entering an item name. Okay, that will be stored in the name variable. Now look this one, outf. What is outf? Outf is the stream object. Okay, output stream object. So here look how we are using the outf object to write name to the file item. Okay, just like cout we are using outf. Okay, now look here, cout enter item cost float cost c in cost. That means through keyboard we are entering the value for cost. Now again we are using outf cost. What we are doing, we are writing the value of cost to the file item. Then next one, this is outf close. That means we are disconnecting the item file from outf. That connection is broken. Okay, now look in the next section, in the next statement we are creating if stream object inf. What is inf? If stream object, that means input file stream object, and in the parameter, as the parameter we are giving item. That means we are connecting the file item to the inf stream object. Clear? Okay, now look here how we are using inf object just like cin, while we are using entering through keyboard, while we are entering variable values through keyboard, how we are using cin, same way we are using inf name. What is the execution? It's reading name from the file item. Then inf cost, again reading the cost value from the item. Okay, so through inf object we read name and cost from the item file. Then cout item name, cout item cost. That means through the monitor we are displaying. Then inf close, that means we are closing the input stream object in f. Okay, return 0. So it's a very simple one. Just created an out of object, pass the file name as the parameter. That means we are using the constructor function. Through outf we have returned name and cost value to item. Then we closed the outf object. That means we have disconnected. Then we created if stream object inf, connected that to item. Then using inf we read values name and cost from item. Then through the through cout statements we displayed that to the monitor. Very simple. Okay,